Hi, it's Afidus again. Today I'm gonna introduce the brand new camera ATL230 for you guys. It's an upgraded ATL230S, but I will lead you to see how much improvement it is. Let's check out the video. First impression, a better quality box which protects the camera much more better. With the user menu and the protection. Accessories, just a 200S, memory card, strap, battery and USB cable. Important, camera itself. The ATL230 is a little bit large than the ATL200S, with the same energy which is the weatherproof casing and a huge improvement. Waterproof USB port. It allows user to connect power bank or external plug-in without any concern of waterproof. PIR sensor and a solid battery casing. It got the new design which is much more easier for memory card installation. A bigger viewfinder window and the same motorized zoom lens. Yeah. The outlook is similar with ATL800. The only difference is the ATL230 equipped with a PIR sensor. I thought it is okay to consider ATL230 as a 2 megapixel version of ATL800 with an extra PIR sensor.